Now, go to page 39 of your document. You have there the review and the challenges. On the first part, you have there the review. You have 5 questions wherein you will have to answer in complete sentences. Okay, question number 1. Have you ever ordered something online? If so, have you abandoned your cart before? Why did you abandon your cart?
Yeah, I order a lot of things online. Recently, I ordered the headphone
Hmm.
from TikTok,
Mm-hmm.
and I ever abandoned my cart before.
Wow.
My cart, my cat. Oh, so sorry. How to
Cart.
pronounce
Cart.
cat? Cat.
Uh-huh. Why?
Yes, I ever abandoned my cat before, because when I put something in my cat, and after that I see it is not really my need.
Hmm.
I don't really need it, so I abandoned my cat. And in other hands, I see something I put in my cat is really shock me a lot, like expensive
Mm.
and over my budget.
Mm-hmm.
So I abandoned the cat. Yes.
Okay, okay. Now, how often do you buy a new replacement for your car? What about your phone, computer? When is a good time to buy a new replacement for these things and why?
Mm, yes. I uh, I understand this question, like how often do I buy a new car? Like
If you
new
have
car,
bought a
new
car,
phone, new
if you
car.
have bought a car, how often do you buy a replacement? If not
Mm,
car,
not.
motorcycle, if ever.
I bought my car 1 year ago. 1 year ago.
1 year
So
ago, a year ago.
yes, I don't need to buy a new replacement for my
No,
car.
especially it's still new.
Huh?
It's still new because you just bought it a year ago. So no need for
No,
replacement.
no,
So let's talk
yes,
about a phone or computer.
a phone, a computer. I just buy
I
a
just
new
bought.
phone. Oh yes, I just bought. Thank you. When say something wrong or something mistake, I don't want to. I want to. I want you can
Yeah,
help
it's
me to
okay.
fix it immediately.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
it's okay.
Because yeah, like this. I'm really like this. Um. I okay.
The phone.
Come back.
Yeah, yeah, the
Uh,
phone.
the phone. I just bought a new phone, a new computer
Mm.
when it just broken and it can be repaired.
Mm-hmm. And how long have you
Totally
had
broken.
your
Yes.
phone? How long? How many years? Your phone?
It totally depends on the the phone is still work or not, because I
Oh,
bought it 1 year.
just like me, I have an old phone, so it's still working. So I just sent it to when I was in Thailand. I sent it to the technician because it wasn't charging, and then it was still fixed. It was usable, so I'm still using it. But now it's not working anymore. I need to fix it again and need to send it again to the technician because it's the charger. It's not the charger, the charging point. Okay, it's not working anymore, so I need to try have it and fix it. But I have a new phone before I left Thailand. I have a phone, but I need that old phone because there are files there, and I think it's still good.
Yes.
So now, when is a good time to buy a new replacement for these things and why?
A good time to buy a new replacement for these things is the the it can do a good duty like the phone can be repaired or the
Mm.
computer is totally
If
broken.
it's still okay.
I will do buy a new replacement, and it 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 can be repaired. I still repair it and
The
use
same
it.
as me.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I understand. Thank you. Now, in your opinion, what is the biggest issue that Vietnam is facing right now?
Oh, um, top of mind about the issue in Vietnam. The biggest issue I think is traffic jam because in Vietnam I take a lot of times to go somewhere in especially in rush hour.
Mm.
Like when I go from home to work, I commute from home to work. I have to take about 1 hour because
The traffic
it's really
jam.
stuck. Yeah, really stuck in traffic jam. I think Vietnam have a lot of policy to reduce the traffic jam, like expand the transportation system or use if people use public transportation or that. And now Vietnam have a policy is charge people uh, higher fine the fines if
Mm.
you uh, how to say if you
If you
never.
violate,
Yes, yes, yes,
oh,
yes.
how much is the fine?
Maybe I go if the I go away in red light, like how to say I go over the red light
Yeah, you go
by
over the red light. It's already red light, then you still go on. So how much is the fine?
about 5 to 10 million Vietnam dollars.
Oh, okay. That's too
And
much.
the basic salary at worker in Vietnam is 10,000.
10
10,
million.
10 million, 10 million. Yeah. And if you
Whoa.
go, yes, if you go the red light, you maybe lost 5 to 10 million,
Hmm.
almost 1 month salary.
Oh my. Okay. 10 million down. So I think the conversion or the currency of Vietnam dong and Uzbekistan soms I think there is a similarity. I think so. Okay, so let's move on to number 4. Have you ever had to put your foot down in a situation even when others disagreed with you? What happened? If you don't have this experience, give an example of when someone had to put his or her foot down in a situation.
Yes, I used to put my foot down in the situation like I have a new member in my company, so I have to work to force my team to do it.
Mm.
Some some team member have disagree with this. I Yes, in my duty I put my foot down. It's
Okay.
pretty hard to explain because in
You
office.
have to be firm. You have to be firm and stand in your decision that this is what you're going to do and this is you should do and you should follow.
Yes.
So that is putting your foot down. Okay, number
Yeah.
5. What are some things that you expect from your coach when learning English?
Yes. I expect from my coach when I am learning English, improve the whole sentence like when I hard to
Rephrasing.
express my idea. My coach can give me some example, or can uh, I have something wrong. My coach fix immediately.
Okay.
Uh,
All right. So thank you. Let's move on to the challenges. Now, give your coach an update about your work in the office last week. What did you do? Did you complete any projects? Was it stressful? And did you solve any problems?
okay, my update near. Uh, I even work in the office. Last week I joined the future leader project in my company,
Mm-hmm.
and I am a communication leader of this project, and I complete any project. No, I it's still progress. This
It's still progressing.
yeah.
Okay.
When I received this position, commission leader of future development project, it's really stressful. I have to cope with overwhelming workload a lot. So
Mm-hmm.
I solved it. Like I I took support from my manager and took support from my team members, and uh, sometimes I relax, listen to music, and take a rest in 5 to 10 minutes and relax my mind. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, I back to work and I have a lot of energy to, you know, come back to work. So that's all. That's
Okay.
that that's all.
That's okay. At least you know how to do it, how to relax yourself. Because when you are stressed at work, you cannot concentrate and you will not be doing something that is productive. So it's okay to relax first for a couple of minutes and then proceed to work.
Yes.
Okay, number two, discuss ways that a company can handle faulty goods.
Mm, uh, actually, my my company is rarely have 40 groups,
Mm-hmm.
so I have I have no experience.
Okay, so that's okay. But if ever there will be some issue about faulty goods, how will you handle it?
Mm, okay, because uh, if my company have 40 groups, I think I need to focus on the progress. I see which step did I make wrong, or to do the 40 groups, and if the mistake belong to my company,
Mm-hmm.
firstly I am a person to say sorry and to customer, and uh, say sorry and have some, you know, like promotion or something like that,
Mm-hmm.
to to give the customer.
Okay. All right. So move on to number three. Fill in the blanks with assent, estimate, intimate.
The term has a steep ascent.
Okay. So which
First,
assent is it?
um, the first one,
Okay.
ascent. First, all co-founders must estimate. I don't.
Mm-mm.
Oh, yep. Oh, sorry. Must. Mm, must. Oh, I have no idea.
It is assent as well. Assent. Because the
Ascent.
first
The
ascent
second.
is about the climbing, the climbing. So that is ascent. The second one is ascent as well. So the trail has a steep ascent. So it is the spelling for that is, let me check the ascent.
Okay. The
Ascent is ASCENT. That is climbing. The first one. It is the second word. The number two is the first word. Ascent. ASSENT. Okay.
okay.
All right. Move on.
The weather tomorrow is estimated to be much colder than today.
Hmm?
After years of not knowing each other, they became very intimate.
Okay.